Hey man, what are you doing? I am filling pomegranate for make a pomegranate juice. Stop man, did you see your face front of mirror? How you looking actually? If you want to make pomegranate juice, you have to fill pomegranate not that way. Okay, I will show you how to fill pomegranate for make pomegranate juice. Okay? Pomegranate is ready and I don't have any juicer, so for make a pomegranate juice I'm going to use blender. This is my blender. Okay, blending is finished and I will use strainer for take a juice. Juice is ready, so let's test. Wow, it's really nice taste. If you are new here today, so please support me, subscribe my channel, because your subscription, your support really inspire to me make more videos. And if you already subscribe my channel, thank you so much. Stay with me and eat well, live well.